Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word. Daunting. Spelling. D-A-U-N-T-I-N-G. Meaning, making you feel slightly frightened or worried about your ability to achieve something. Synonyms. Intimidating, formidable, discouraging. Antonyms. Encouraging, motivating, inspiring. Usage. The daunting task of climbing the mountain seemed impossible at first. The prospect of public speaking can be daunting for many people. Word. Debacle. Spelling. D-E-B-A-C-L-E. Meaning, a complete failure or collapse, often in a dramatic or humiliating way. Synonyms. Fiasco, disaster, catastrophe. Antonyms. Success, triumph, victory. Usage. The company's financial debacle led to its bankruptcy. The team's debacle in the championship game was a huge disappointment. Word. Decorous. Spelling. D-E-C-O-R-O-U-S. Meaning, characterized by dignified propriety in conduct, manners, appearance, character, etc. Synonyms. Proper, becoming, seemly. Antonyms. Undignified, improper, unseemly. Usage. The decorous behavior of the guests at the formal dinner was impressive. The politician's decorous speech was well received by the audience. Word. Defer. Spelling. D-E-F-E-R. Meaning, to put off to a future time, postpone, delay. Synonyms. Postpone, delay, put off. Antonyms. Expedite, hasten, accelerate. Usage. The meeting was deferred until next week due to unforeseen circumstances. She decided to defer her college enrollment for a year to travel. Word. Deliberate. Spelling. D-E-L-I-B-E-R-A-T-E. Meaning, done on purpose, intentional. Synonyms. Intentional, purposeful, premeditated. Antonyms. Accidental, unintentional, spontaneous. Usage. The deliberate destruction of the environment is a serious issue. She made a deliberate effort to improve her public speaking skills. Word. Demarcation. Spelling. D-E-M-A-R-C-A-T-I-O-N. Meaning, the act of marking or defining the boundaries of something. Synonyms. Boundary, limit, division. Antonyms. Union, merger, integration. Usage. The demarcation line between the two countries was clearly marked. The company established a demarcation between the different departments. Word. Denounce. Spelling. D-E-N-O-U-N-C-E. Meaning, to criticize or condemn something or someone strongly and publicly. Synonyms. Condemn, criticize, censure. Antonyms. Praise, commend, approve. Usage. The government's economic policy has been denounced on all sides. She denounced the judge and the way the trial had been conducted. Word. Deprecate. Spelling. D-E-P-R-E-C-A-T-E. Meaning, to express disapproval of something or someone. Synonyms. Condemn, denounce, disparage. Antonyms. Approve, commend, praise. Usage. The author modestly deprecated the importance of his work. She deprecated the behavior of her colleague. Word. Desolate. Spelling. D-E-S-O-L-A-T-E. Meaning, uninhabited and giving an impression of bleakness and isolation. Synonyms. Barren, bleak, deserted. Antonyms. Populated, inhabited, lively. Usage. The desolate landscape stretched out as far as the eye could see. She felt desolate after losing her job and moving to a new city. Word. Despondent. Spelling. D-E-S-P-O-N-D-E-N-T. Meaning, feeling or showing a lack of hope or enthusiasm. Synonyms. Hopeless, despairing, disheartened. Antonyms. Hopeful, optimistic, cheerful. Usage. After losing his job, he became despondent and struggled to find motivation. The despondent look on her face made it clear she was not looking forward to the task. Word. Didactic. Spelling. D-I-D-A-C-T-I-C. Meaning, intended to teach or instruct, especially in a moral lesson. Synonyms. Instructive, educational, enlightening. Antonyms. Uninstructive, non-educational, unenlightening. Usage. The didactic approach of the teacher helps students understand complex concepts. The novel's didactic tone made it feel more like a lecture than a story. Word. diffident. Spelling, diffident. Meaning, lacking confidence in one's own ability, worth, or fitness, timid, shy. Synonyms, shy, reserved, withdrawn. Antonyms, confident, assertive, bold. Usage. She was diffident about speaking in public and preferred to write instead. His diffident nature made it hard for him to make friends at the new school. Word, diffuse. Spelling, diffuse. Meaning, spread out or dispersed over a wide area, not concentrated. Synonyms, dispersed, scattered, spread out. Antonyms, concentrated, focused, localized. Usage. The diffuse light in the room made it hard to see any details. The company's diffuse marketing strategy failed to reach a specific audience. Word, diminutive. Spelling, diminutive. Meaning, extremely small in size, tiny. Synonyms, small, tiny, miniature. Antonyms, large, big, huge. Usage. The diminutive size of the car made it easy to park in tight spaces. Despite her diminutive stature, she had a powerful voice. Word, disavow. Spelling, disavow. Meaning, to deny support for someone or something. Synonyms, deny, reject, abandon. Antonyms, acknowledge, accept, recognize. Usage. He immediately disavowed the newspaper story. The company disavowed any involvement in the scandal. Word, discrepancy. Spelling, discrepancy. Meaning, divergence or disagreement, as between facts or claims, difference. Synonyms, variant, variance, difference. Antonyms, agreement, consistency, harmony. Usage. The discrepancy between the two reports was significant. The company's financial statements showed a discrepancy in the accounting records. Word, discretion. Spelling, discretion. Meaning, the power or right to decide or act according to one's own judgment or choice. Synonyms, judgment, discernment, prudence. Antonyms, indiscretion, recklessness, impulsiveness. Usage. The manager used her discretion to make the difficult decision. The judge exercised his discretion in sentencing the defendant. Word, disdain. Spelling, disdain. Meaning, a feeling of contempt or scorn for someone or something. Synonyms, contempt, scorn, derision. Antonyms, respect, admiration, esteem. Usage. She regarded his proposal with disdain. His disdain for ignorance showed in the debate. Word, disgruntled. Spelling, disgruntled. Meaning, unhappy or dissatisfied, often in a way that is considered unreasonable or excessive. Synonyms, unhappy, dissatisfied, discontented. Antonyms, satisfied, contented, pleased. Usage. The disgruntled employee quit his job without notice. The disgruntled customer complained to the manager about the service. Word, disheartened. Spelling, dishearten. Meaning, feeling discouraged or depressed. Synonyms, discouraged, depressed, crushed. Antonyms, encouraged, uplifted, inspired. Usage. He was disheartened by their hostile reaction. She felt disheartened after failing the exam. Word, disparage. Spelling, disparage. Meaning, to speak about someone or something in a way that shows you do not have a good opinion of them. Synonyms, ridicule, discredit, mock. Antonyms, extol, praise, magnify. Usage. He tended to disparage literature. Your behavior will disparage the whole family. Word, disperse. Spelling, disperse. Meaning, to drive off or scatter in different directions. Synonyms, scatter, dissipate, lift. Antonyms, gather, assemble, concentrate. Usage. The police dispersed the crowd. The sun dispersed the fog. Word, disrepute. Spelling, disrepute. Meaning, a state of being held in low regard or having a bad reputation. Synonyms, discredit, shame, dishonor. Antonyms, reputation, respect, esteem. Usage. The company fell into disrepute after the scandal. His behavior brought disrepute to his family. Word: dissemble. Spelling: dissemble. Meaning: to conceal one's true intentions or feelings by deceptive words or actions. Synonyms: deceive, disguise, feign. Antonyms: reveal, disclose, expose. Usage: she dissembled her true feelings to avoid hurting him. He dissembled his intentions to gain their trust. Word: disseminate. Spelling: disseminate. Meaning: to distribute, scatter or spread something, typically information, knowledge, ideas, or items, to a wide or diverse audience. Synonyms: spread, distribute, broadcast. Antonyms: conceal, withhold, retain. Usage: the news network will disseminate the live coverage of the event worldwide. The pamphlets, outlining safety guidelines, will be disseminated among employees. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.